162 days of no contact. That is over 5 months. Unfortunately, I talked about him leaving a voicemail last Tuesday or last Monday. Yes, it was last Monday. And he left another one yesterday. I know it's early in the morning, so technically it was yesterday. So yes, he left another one yesterday. This time it was more urgent. People like this are so persistent, they don't stop. They never stop. The hoovering never stops. They give you that, like I said, they give you that 4 to 5 months, but after that, they're after you again. They're popping back up into your life as if nothing happened. What baffles me the most is how somebody, and I guess this is only possible with the narc. How somebody could become an abusive asshole, and then maybe 5-6 months after the fact, they're pretending to be nice, like nothing ever happened. Why can't you just stay an asshole instead of become a complete nice guy? That's my idea. If you're gonna be an asshole, an abusive asshole, stay one. Stay one. I think it's a cowardly thing to do, to pretend to be all nice. On June 5th, the incident that caused me to go no contact, the incident that made me realize, okay, enough's enough. I can't keep letting this happen. I can't get, treated like this, and everybody's convinced that it's me. It's my fault somehow. I can't keep, being done like that. So I finally realized, okay, I need to go no contact. Let me play you just a little bit of what he said on June 5th. It's in my very first video. The whole audio clip is in my first video, but let me play a little bit of this.
Why you cannot be kind to your father? I give you more than you give me. You give me more headache.
So how can you go from that to, you go from saying those things and being an abusive fuck to this?
Hey, Nader. So this is that. I'm calling you to try to keep in touch with you. So if you have a chance, call me back. Bye. Bye-bye.
Total nice guy. Total nice guy. Just checking on you. Did you see that contrast? You gave me more headache. Not true, actually. It's just more put downs, more verbal abuse. You go from that to, oh, I'm just checking on you. Hoovering. You will see that the narc is on their best possible behavior. Best possible behavior. And you see that they make you think. They sound like they've changed. They sound like they've become a completely new person. Guys, I'm warning you. They're just doing what they think they have got to do to regain control over you. That's all they're doing. They're just trying to regain control over you. Because right now, he has no control over my life. Pretty much none. That's the whole purpose of hoovering. It's to try to regain that control. So, I just played what he sent me last week. Let's play what he sent yesterday.
Hey Nazar, this is your dad calling you, try to check on you, find out how things are going with you. But as always, I left you a voicemail. If you have a chance, call me back or text me, whatever. Okay? So I love you. I'll talk to you later. If you have a chance, call me back. Hi. Bye-bye.
It's amazing. It amazes me how you can go from verbal abuse, emotional abuse, talking to my mom like she's she's nothing. Talking to my mom like she's absolute shit. Treating her like absolute shit. I don't know how you can go from behaving the way you did during the summer to, oh, I'm just checking on you. Call me back anytime. This is classic hoovering. Don't think when your narcissist in your life has changed, or don't think that their narcissist in your life has changed when they change like that. Do not fall for it. This is what will happen when you fall for this. If you fall for hoovering, not only will you realize that this person has not changed whatsoever, you will realize that that person's actually gotten worse. On top of that, you will see that everybody in the family will treat you actually worse. In fact, the narcissist and their enablers will punish you for going no contact in the first place. I'm warning you right now. Do not fall for it. Do not. Protect yourself. If you fall for this and break no contact, the longer that you've gone no contact, the worse the punishment will be. If you're familiar with the YouTuber Narcissism Survivor, that's his name on YouTube. He said 25 years of no contact with his narc mother. When he tried to reestablish contact, he claims that it almost killed him. His words. Those are his words. So do not fall for it, because the longer you've gone no contact, the worse the punishment will be. Because trust me, the narcissist will punish you for it. They might sound like nice people right now, but they're just trying to regain control over you. I cannot stress this enough. Do not fall for it. I get so many people on Instagram asking me, do I talk to him again? No, don't. Do not. Don't do it. And if you've got no contact for years, it will be bad for you. So do not. Stay no contact. You have to commit. You have to draw the line. Stand your ground. Thank you.